Hello, I'm Earl Clough, CEO of Aireloom Mattress. You're in our West Coast factory. We're so happy to be here today to show you all the wonderful things we do to make Aireloom one of the finest mattresses in the world. When I was only 4 years old, my father and grandfather took me down to the little mattress shop in downtown Los Angeles. I was fascinated watching the men with their craft, hand-tying box springs, tufting mattresses, putting them together. It really was fascinating to me. From that point forward, I ended up staying in that business every summer until I graduated college. I operated practically every machine that we had, drove some of the delivery trucks, worked in the front office, worked as a plant manager, and my favorite thing that I love is product development. We took it from that point and we sold it to a larger company. When I went home to retire and I didn't like it, I'm just a guy that has to make mattresses. So in 2004, I found out Aireloom was available. It was a prestigious brand like nothing else. In fact, growing up, I remember that the Reagans had put Aireloom mattresses in the White House. The name still had some magic to it. I decided it would really be fun to take the Aireloom name with what I do well on the craftsmanship and designs, come out with a brand new line of products under the Aireloom name. So from that point, we set out to design the greatest mattress we ever could think of. What it was ended up being was our new patented design, open chamber, that we're going to show you out in the factory. It has no peers in the marketplace today. What separates us from everyone else is our patent design, quality, and the workmanship and the tailoring. As you will see on the tour, there's lots of preparation that goes into doing this, and it's a very meticulous and slow process. By the time we make one mattress, our competitors have probably made 5 or 10.
Traditional innerspring mattresses have been manufactured the same way for decades. What has changed are the components used. The traditional innerspring mattress construction typically involves 3 different sections. First, the unit, which is the combination of the coil and the edging support. Second, the comfort layers, foams that will determine the comfort level of the mattress. And third, the quilt, which usually consists of 2 to 3 layers of foams, a fiber, and the mattress cover. The traditional innerspring manufacturing process usually begins by assembling the coil and the edging support to create the unit. Next, they will start to place the comfort layers down on the unit, spraying adhesive glue over the entire surface between each comfort layer. This may occur 2 to 5 times depending on the specific mattress construction. During the process, most manufacturers will use a non-stretchable fabric that is placed over the unit and/or the comfort layers. They will tightly glue or staple the fabric around the entire perimeter of the mattress. The function of this non-stretchable fabric is to both hold the unit and top comfort layers together. The restriction of this non-stretchable fabric is that it creates a drum effect. This inhibits the innerspring unit and/or comfort layers the ability to conform to the individual. The final part is creating the quilt, which will usually consist of 2 to 3 layers of foam and a fiber. The layers are sewn together to create one section. Underneath the quilt will be another piece of non-stretchable fabric. They will then tape edge the quilt to the existing unit. This manufacturing process has been a staple of the mattress industry for decades. This process creates a tried and true mattress, although the conforming features are limited by adding at least 2 layers of non-stretchable fabric, which greatly reduces comfort and conformability. Aireloom has achieved a truly better way to manufacture a mattress, with 2 U.S. patents awarded on the open chamber design. While many traditional innerspring manufacturers focus and train on components, Aireloom sets themselves apart by using the form follows function approach. This means the primary goal of the manufacturing product design is that each component has a function and a purpose, while form, the style or appearance, is secondary or follows function. The Aireloom patented open chamber design produces 2 results. First, comfort. Rather than separating the unit, comfort layers, and quilt with non-stretchable fabrics, Aireloom's patent allows the comfort layers to be placed directly onto the unit. Also, the quilt uses a true stretch cotton tricot material. This eliminates the barriers and allows the individual to conform to all mattress components, thus a restful, healthier sleep. Second, durability. Using the patented open chamber design, Aireloom constructs a mattress with the form follows function approach. Decorative side borders that create stability and structural integrity, hand outer tufting that reduces false loft and keeps the material stationary throughout the life of the mattress. Let's discover how the Aireloom patented open chamber is manufactured, starting with the coil design. Aireloom manufactures their own coils using state-of-the-art machinery. They're able to produce superior product adhering specific manufacturing standards and offers the highest quality control not offered by a third party. Aireloom uses high-carbon steel and tempers each coil for strength, durability, and memory, allowing the coil to retain 98% of its shape throughout the lifespan. Utilizing 15-gauge steel for plush comfort levels and 13 3/4 gauge steel for firm comfort levels. They also use 4 rows of adhesive, which creates more stability for longer-lasting comfort life. Aireloom assembles the foam encasement in-house. They utilize an eco-friendly soy-based foam-encased rail base foam. Soy oil replaces nearly 20% of the polyol used to manufacture the foam for an environmentally friendly product. They place a supportive fiber pad between the base foam under the coil system that adds extra lumbar support. This is beneficial because it lifts the coil in the center third to contour and support an individual's natural curve in any sleeping position, and the fiber pad creates a firm surface, which allows the individually wrapped coil to work at a stronger rate. Aireloom uses a 1.7-pound high-density foam rail and base foam, which encase the coil. Aireloom uses exclusive, custom-made decorative border machinery to produce the patented open chamber designs. This creates structural integrity and stability for the highest quality tailoring in the bedding industry. The factory also has custom-made handle machinery that offers a unique, workable handle that blends into the mattress seamlessly, with matching fabrics quilted to fiber and foam. Aireloom sews the handles to the mattress border using a seatbelt stitch, twice at the top and bottom, and then sewn again to the tape edge for stability and durability. Aireloom purchases only the finest fabrics from around the world. They use Belgian damasks, woven, and knit fabrics for comfort and quality. Aireloom operates advanced, specialized quilting machines that offer fully computerized design features, cut-to-size options, and even cuts off loose threads. Aireloom also operates single needle quilt machines for luxurious thick quilt packages and custom quilt designs. True stretch cotton tricot material is unique and holds the quilt together. This fabric stretches and contours to an individual's body, helping them mold into the sleep system for a more restful night's sleep. Tricot takes much longer to quilt and tailor. It must be hand-stitched to ensure there is no bunching of material. Aireloom applies hand outer tufting to many of its models. This handmade process is time-consuming and labor-intensive, yet adds several benefits such as increasing the durability and the comfort life, reducing artificial loft by 1 to 4 inches, reducing body impressions, which are prevalent in traditional innerspring mattresses, securing the upholstery so that the foam layers do not shift or bunch over time, mitigating motion. Since the quilt and comfort layers are more secure, this eliminates the lateral transfer of motion between two people, allowing for both individuals to achieve a better night's sleep. Hand outer tufting starts by placing the mattress in a hydrolytic press, which compresses the mattress, then turned perpendicular to the floor so the skilled craftsman can push an 18-inch needle, one at a time, through the entire mattress. Each tuft consists of a strap, which comes in several lengths, wool rosettes, which help anchor the strap upright and add an aesthetic value, a cloth washer, which anchors the strap to the bottom of the mattress. Once each hand tuft is pushed through on the top side, the craftsman will then pull each strap through from the bottom side. After this is completed, they will release the hydraulic press. Here is an example of a mattress that has been halfway completed. The hand outer tufting process helps reduce body impressions and creates a long-lasting comfort life for the mattress. The comfort pad is a feature that has been designed for specific Aireloom luxury models. The comfort pad allows an individual to purchase one mattress with 3 different comfort preferences by removing or utilizing either the knit or damask side of the pad. The comfort pad adds an extra dimension of conforming qualities for the sleeper. The comfort pad can be refreshed by shaking and repositioning the pad. Manufacturing this feature is time-consuming and labor-intensive. The fabric, fiber, and foams will need to be cut by hand and placed onto the form. This will allow a single needle quilting machine to sew the unique pattern through all the layers, including the tricot material, which allows the foams and fibers to conform to the individual. When considering a mattress manufactured by Aireloom, be assured you will find a superior product of the highest quality, with 2 U.S. patents on their patented open chamber design, the finest crafted hand outer tufting, and the use of the form follows function approach to manufacturing. Aireloom stands alone as a leader in the luxury mattress industry.